Hey y'all, so I'm going to try something a little bit new. We're going to throw some booster boxes up on Dom. So these are simplified Chinese. They are Gemstone Volume 4, and I guess the chase card is the Ponita, so Ponita. So yeah, it's a sweet card, but there's also like there's a really good Linton card in it. There's the Eevee chase with all the Eevees. So anyway, my son, as we know, Olev, he's definitely into Pokemon, so dad follows. And I have, I've been into Pokemon for a little while myself. And so we're going to mix it up here on Doms, and we're going to add some Pokemon cards to the fold. I'm going to sell booster boxes, and I think I'll have like a 5 booster deal and a single booster deal. But just to ensure the validity, the authenticity, I want to just go ahead and do an unboxing of the case and show you right here. So let's get into it. All right, so here we go. Here's the front of the box. This shows you the set number. You can look that set number up and find all the simplified Chinese, all the different illustration rares and things on it. So let's just take a look at the sealed side here first, just to let y'all know. So it's coming from a sealed case here. This is 20 booster boxes. And then this is the side right here where we're gonna go ahead. And you can see, looks like the flap kind of got tampered with. However, you can't get this open. You can't get that open. It's sealed. Nothing can come out. So we're going to go ahead and get that open today, though. We're going to go ahead and pop that right now. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful product. You got your hit rates. Got that special stamp up there. Be on the lookout for that. Chases all around. Chases all around. Get that Eevee. Get the, what's his name? Snood, I think it is, or Snod. I can never, my son knows, he loves it. Get that Linton, and of course this Flamin' Pony on the front here. Definitely got to get that. There's plenty more in here. I'll just take one more out, show you. There you are. I'm going to go ahead and put these up on Doms. And yeah, grab one. I'm going to add some new fresh kendamas and just spice up the website. So, cool. Bye.